Hey guys, Toolshed Mike here. Today I'm going to be trying to take the middle seat out of this 2024 Jeep Wagoneer. When I bought this thing, we had the option between the captain's seats or the bench seat. We went with the bench seat at the time. It seemed like the right idea. And after having this thing for a few months, it became clear that we probably should have gone with the bench seats. We have 3 kids, infant, and a 4-year-old and a 6-year-old, and doing that seat latch every single time we get in and out of the car is kind of a pain, especially in the wintertime. So I'm going to attempt to take the middle seat out. Hopefully it's not that big of a job. It's not like a minivan where you can just quickly take it in or out. It's bolted to the floor. So let's see what we can figure out, try to take that out, and we'll go for a little while and see if we like that better. It's a whole lot cheaper than trading this thing in for one with captain seats. I slid the seat forward and I've reclined it forward. Be careful reclining it forward when it's slid all the way forward, because it does slam right up against the air vents there. I'm thinking I'm just going to remove these bolts. There's 2 here, 2 here. I think there's 2 more up front. Let's remove those and see what happens. It does look like you can't really see because it's like really dark in here. It's a black interior. There's an electrical connector under there, so I'm going to try to get that too. Let's see what happens. And this is like an E-Torx. Let's try 14. A little bit of play there. Let's try okay. So this is an E12. It's like a star bit kind of thing. I don't know, they keep changing this stuff up. I had to go borrow this from my neighbor because I didn't have one of these sets. This is probably really tight. Anytime I've taken seats out, this has been a real tough thing. So I got a breaker bar on it. Okay, that's not too bad. With a breaker bar, it goes. Okay, now that I got it started, I'm going to try to use this wrench to get at the rest of it. Alright. I'm probably just going to, all 4 of these, loosen them with this breaker bar. That's not too hard. Get them started and then I'll electric get them out. Okay, got all 4 of them loose. I'm going to finish taking them out with the electric wrench. It's got that pink Loctite on it. Makes it really tough to get them off, even once they're loose. Alright, those 4 are out. Now there's really bad visibility. This is the front. There's one, and there's the other. I'm going to pop both of those off. Okay, now those 2 are off, and the seat is free. Let's take a look under it. Get my flashlight. And there is the wiring connector. It has that little zip tie deal, so we'll have to use a trim and removal tool to pop that off. And then there's the electrical connector. Here's what it looks like now that it's taken out. The wire comes out of the middle of the floor here. It's got this little connector right here on the, this was on the back side towards the metal of the seat, so it was a little hard, but I was able to get my finger back in and then just push right there in the middle. That's the little clip, and then it slides out. Slides out real easy when you get that pushed. And then it's got one of these little zip tie deals that stick on the seat. You just use a little trim removal tool like this and just wedge it between there and it pops right off. Okay, that's what it looks like now with it removed. The wire, I just tucked it back into that hole. So I can pop the top off that, or the middle off that hole, and pull the wire back out if we decide to put the seat back in. So there you go. That wasn't that bad of a job. those bolts were pretty tough to get out, but with the right tools, it wasn't that hard of a job. The seat was really heavy whenever I lifted it out, but I'm gonna try to find a place maybe up in the attic or something to store that thing until we change our mind and decide we want it back. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you. If it has, consider subscribing to my channel to see more videos like it. Thanks for watching.